Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Scripthook 5 critical errors. So without further ado, let's get started. First, go to the pinned comment of this video and download exe files. Don't worry, super safe. Just press download and then download anyway and save it to your computer. And after you download it, just right click on it and extract files to whenever you like, but in my case it will be desktop, right? And then you will have these files. Next step, what you need to do here is to select all these files and press copy. Then go to Steam or other platform where you have a GTA 5, right click on them, go to properties, browse, and on main directory, you just need to paste these files. Press replace the file in the destination, wait for a couple of seconds, and then run GTA 5. So guys, as you can see here, GTA 5 is running and you should not get any errors. That's pretty much it. Like if I helped you out.